Dear friends, myself Neelakanta Swami, Assistant Professor, Government First Year College, Tiptur. Today we are discussed about discharge of PC, that means purchase consideration, and closing the books of the transferor company, accounting procedure in amalgamation of companies. Second, first one calculation of purchase consideration. Second one discharge of PC. Third, closing the books of transferor company. Closing the books of transferor company. Now, the procedure second, discharge of purchase consideration. Discharge of purchase consideration. Yesterday, we have discussed about the purchase consideration, meaning of purchase consideration, methods of purchase consideration, etc. There are three methods of purchase consideration: lump sum method, net assets method, net payment method. These are all discussed in yesterday. Now, the second step, first step, calculation of PC methods. Second step, discharge of purchase consideration. All methods of purchase consideration discharge completely in cash, completely in equity shares, completely in preference shares, completely in debentures, completely in cash and shares, completely in cash and debentures, completely shares and debentures, completely cash, shares and debentures. These are all the methods of discharge of purchase consideration. The purchase consideration may be paid in cash, fully cash, or completely in equity shares, or in preference shares, or in debentures, or in cash and debentures, or cash and debentures, or shares and debentures, or cash, shares and debentures. Completely cash, shares, debentures, or any discharge of the methods of discharge of PC, or anyone the above information given to cash, shares, preference shares, debentures, cash and debentures, cash and shares and debentures, or both three, cash, shares and debentures, etc. This is the discharge of PC. Next, third, third step, closing the books of the transferor company. This is the third step of accounting procedure in amalgamation of companies. Closing the books of transferor company. Under this, transferor company means vendor company. When the amalgamation of companies, the purchasing company acquire all assets and liabilities or taking over the business of the vendor company. At the time, the vendor company closed the books of account. The journal entries and the ledger accounts are prepared to close the books of the accounts of transferor company. The accounting entries for transfer of various assets including cash at their book value, including cash at their book value. Book value means in the problem given the balance sheet. Agreed value means the problem given the adjustment in the adjustment value. Here the agreed value, that means the closing the books of the account. First one entry, transfer of assets, various assets including cash at book values. Journal entry, realization account debit to concerned asset account. Realization account debit to concerned assets account. That is concerned assets only. In the problem as given, in the problem as given the assets. Next one, transfer of various outsiders liability including debenture at their book value, including debentures. Concerned liability account debit to realization account. Concerned liability account debit to realization account. Here one note. Only those liabilities are to be transferred which have been assumed by the transferee company. Which have been assumed by the transferee company, the accumulated profits like credit balance of profit and loss account, general reserve account, dividend equalization reserve, sinking fund, capital reserve are not transferred to realization account. If there is any fund which partially represents liability and partially undistributed profits, then that portion which respective liability should be transferred to a realization account. These are all. Only outsiders liabilities and debentures should be taken to realization account. The journal entry, concerned liability account debit to a realization account. Concerned liability account debit to a realization account. Then for purchase consideration due. Purchase consideration due. Purchase consideration means already first step. Calculation of PC, second step discharge of PC. Now that purchase consideration is due. The journal entry, transferee company account or purchasing company account debit to realization account. Transferee company or purchasing company account debit to realization account. This is the third entry. Then next, fourth entry. Okay. Fourth, for payment of realization expenses. For payment of realization expenses, the payment is two types. The realization expenses payment by two. That means the transfer, if the transferor paid, transferor company paid the realization expenses paid by transferor company, or if the realization expenses paid by transferee company. First, if the realization expenses paid by transferor company, entry realization account debit to cash or bank account. Realization account debit to cash or bank account. If the realization expenses paid by the transferor company, the journal entry is realization account debit to cash or bank account. Then, if the realization expenses paid by transferee company, if the realization expenses paid by the transferee company, under these two types payment by made by transferee company. For making payment, entry for making payment, transferee company account debit to cash or bank account. Transferee company account debit to cash or bank account. For collecting the amount from transferee company, second. First one, for making payment, entry transferee or purchasing company account debit to cash or bank account. Second, for collecting the amount from transferee company, cash or bank account debit to purchasing company or transfer company account. If the realization expenses paid by the purchasing company, the procedure is two types. For payment, sir, making payment, transferor or transferee or purchasing company account debit to cash or bank account. For collecting the amount from transferee company, cash or bank account debit to transferee company. Next, for sale of assets not taken over by, for sale of assets not taken over by the transferee company. Some assets in amalgamation, some assets not taken over by the purchasing company. Sometimes only few or some assets are taken over by purchasing company, and some assets are sale of assets not taken over by the purchasing company. If the purchasing company, some assets are not taken over, at the time transferor company sale of that assets. When the purchasing company not taken over the assets, at the time the transferor company sale the assets. Entry cash or bank account debit to realization accounts. Cash or bank account debit to realization account. The assets are not taken over by the purchasing company, that the assets are sale by the transferring company. Entry cash or bank account debit to realization account. Next, for payment of outsider liability not taken over by the transferee company. Not taken over by the outsider's liability by purchasing company, at the time the payment paid or payment by the transferor company, outsider's liability. When the purchasing company is not taken over the outsider's liability, at the time the transferor or vendor company, the payment to be made to outsider's liability. The entry is realization account debit to cash or bank account. realization account debit to cash or bank account. The payment by vendor company to outsiders liabilities. Then for preference shares capital due. For preference share capital due. When the preference share capital is due, preference share capital due. First, payable at par. Preference shares are payable three types: at par, at premium, at discount. At par, at premium, at discount. When the preference shares of capital at due then. Now first, payable at par. Payable at par. Payable at par, that is preference shares capital account debit to preference shares holders account. Preference share capital due at par, the journal entry is preference shares capital account debit to preference share holders account. Preference share holders account. Then second, preference shares capital due at premium. Premium means higher the value at par. Par value higher than par value. At premium higher than par value. The entry is preference share capital account debit, realization account debit to preference share holders account. Preference share capital account debit, realization account debit to preference share holders account. To preference share holders account. Next, third, preference shares capital due at discount. Discount means the preference shares capital lower than par value, below the par value or below the par value, lower than par value. The entry preference share capital account debit to realization account debit to preference share holders account. Preference share holders account. At par, only two, debit one, credit one. Preference shares are capital account debit to preference share holders account. At premium, debit is to preference share capital account, realization account. Credit is 1, preference share holders account. Third, preference shares at premium, debit is 1, preference share capital account, credit is 2. Realization account and preference share holders account. Next, for closing the realization account. This is the closing stage of realization account. Closing the realization account. In realization, ascertained or show it may be profit or loss. It shows the profit or loss after the completion of the assets and liabilities, of realization of assets and liabilities, dispose or sale of assets and liabilities, preference shares capital due, etc. After that, now we can close the realization account. In this time, the realization account closed. It shows the profit, realization profit or realization loss. In case of profits, or if in realization account shows the profit transfer to equity shareholders account. Entry realization account debit to equity shareholders account. Second one, realization account shows the loss, or in case of loss, journal entry equity shareholders account debit to realization account. If profit, entry realization account debit to equity shareholders. If loss, equity shareholders account debit to realization account. Next, transfer of capital, reserve and profit. Transfer of capital, reserve and profit. It is in the balance sheet. The capital, reserve, profit concern to shareholders. Concern to shareholders of vendor company. Transfer of capital, reserve, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Okay. Profit and loss account. These are in the liability side of balance sheet. The entry, these are all transferred to shareholders, equity shareholders account. The amount is concerned to only equity shareholders. Entry, equity share capital account debit, reserve account debit, profit and loss account debit to equity shareholders account. Equity share capital account debit, reserve account debit, profit and loss account debit to equity shareholders account. Then for transfer of preliminary expenses, underwriting commission, discount on issue of shares and debentures and profit and loss account, loss. If profit, that is shown in the liability side. If loss, that is shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. These are also transferred to shareholders account. If the profit, capital and reserves transferred to shareholders account, the same time preliminary expenses, underwriting commission, discount on shares, profit and loss account, loss transfer to shareholders account. Entry, equity shareholders account debit to preliminary expenses account, to underwriting commission account, to discount on issue of shares and debentures account, to profit and loss account. The entry is equity shareholders account debit to preliminary expenses account, to underwriting commission account, to discount on issue of shares and debentures account, to profit and loss account. Next, for receipts of purchase consideration. For receipts of purchase consideration. The purchase consideration, the receipts means discharge, which type already shows in purchase consideration discharge, methods of discharge. That may be the receipt by transferor company from purchasing company. Which type should be can be received by the purchasing company to vendor company. The vendor company received the following types of entry: equity shares in transferee company account debit if the payment of purchase consideration paid by equity shares in purchasing company account debit, preference shares in purchasing company account debit, cash or bank account debit to transferee company. There is any type the purchasing company how to discharge by the purchasing company. Which type you can already calculate in the methods of discharge of PC in second step. The same step to be taken by the transferor company, same. The purchase amount, purchase consideration amount should be taken on equity shares or preference shares or cash or bank, etc. Here the receipt of purchase consideration, equity shares in purchasing company account debit, preference shares in purchasing company account debit, cash or bank in purchasing company account debit to transferee company. To transferee company. Next, for final payment made to preference shareholders, for final payment made to preference shareholders, entry preference shareholders account debit to cash or bank account to shares in transferee company account, preference shareholders account. The final payment made to preference shareholders, final payment made to preference shareholders, entry preference shareholders account debit to cash or bank account to shares in transferee company account, shares in transferee company account. Next, final payment made to equity shareholders, final payment made to equity shareholders, the entry equity shareholders account debit to equity shares in purchasing company account to cash or bank account. For final payment made to equity shareholders, made to equity shareholders, the entry is equity shareholders account debit to equity shares in purchasing company or transferee company to cash or bank account, equity shareholders account debit to equity shares in transferee company account to cash or bank account. These are all the accounting entries in vendor company. On the basis of journal entries, we can prepare the ledger account. First one, realization account. Second one, purchasing company or transferee company account, shareholders account, equity shareholders account, preference shareholders account, equity shares in purchasing company account, preference shares in purchasing company account, preference shares in purchasing company account. These are all the main accounts for closing the books of the entries, closing entries in the books of transferor company. Journal entries, ledger account also important. Journal entries and ledger accounts. In the journal entries as given, the information about how to prepare the entries and how to prepare the ledger account on the basis of journal entry. On the basis of journal entry, these are all the main. First step in amalgamation, calculation of PC. Second, discharge of PC. Third step, closing the books of the account. Closing the books. Closing the books of the accounts means vendor company accounts close. Where vendor company sale the business to purchasing company are amalgamated by the new company. Two companies are amalgamated and they form a new company, that is purchasing company. When amalgamated, the companies are closed, the accounts or books, close the books of the account. In that situation, we can prepare the accounting entries and ledger account to close the books of the accounts. Close the books of the accounts. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.